Good morning children, this is Mrs. Uma Maheshwari from Sir Isaac Newton School. I am handling English for 3rd CBSE. In the previous class we saw the first scene of the road to safety, that lesson, okay. The second session is for us the second scene in Tarun and Tamara's car, okay. This happens in a car in the roadside. Tarun said to Ganesh, who is Ganesh? Ganesh is a uncle who is a driver, okay. Tarun who said to Ganesh, uncle please drive fast, we want to reach the wedding hall before Sahil and Sahana do, okay. So what he is saying to the driver who said, we have to go very fast because we have to reach the wedding before their cousins, that is their intention. So they said, okay, go speed just like that. And then Ganesh said, oh, you children are in a hurry, aren't you? Okay, let us go. So the driver also appreciating their words and he said, okay, I'll drive it speedily, just like that. Okay, he steps on the accelerator and starts driving faster, overtaking other cars on the road. What is the accelerator? The part of a car that controls its speed, okay. So if you are raising that accelerator, the car or vehicle will goes very speedily. So he increased the speed by using the accelerator. Tamara said, we are the fastest car on the road now. This is so much fun. See, this is a picture they are giving. So they are very fast, they are overtake all the vehicles, okay. So the children are very happy, they are the fastest passengers, those who are going by car. Okay, Tarun said, looks disappointed, oh no, there is a traffic signal ahead, we have to stop at it. So Tarun saw the traffic signal, maybe it's going to be a red. So he said, oh, we have to stop here. In a sad mood he said. Ganesh, what the driver said, oh, do not bother, I will jump the signal, we will still be the fastest, okay. So the driver said, don't worry about it because still we are in a speed, so we can jump, which means we will go easily, okay, we will cross the signals easily, just like that he encouraged the children. So this is a picture, see the red light is there, but they have crossed that signal. Okay, he speeds past all the cars without stopping at the red signal. Suddenly, they heard a sound, peen, okay. So they are not following the traffic rules, they won't stop in the red signal. So they heard the sound, okay, the whistle sound. In a drama, there can be a different sound effects like in a movie. In a movies, we have a background music like that, you know. In a drama, plays means they used to say, here there is a written form, you know. So they are mentioning the sound. Now Tamara said, okay, Tarun, do you hear that sound? What might that be? So the girl is asking to his brother, can you hear the sound? What sound is that? Ganesh said, oh no, that's a traffic police officer whistling at us to slow down. I will have to stop the car now. So Uncle Ganesh said, oh, that is a traffic signal police officer's whistle, so I have to stop the car, okay. They stopped by the side of the road, a traffic police officer approaches them. So they have stopped the car, the traffic police officer approached, come near to them. Okay. Inspector Ashok said, sir, do you realize what you were doing? So the police officer started to ask questions. So what is the mistake for you? Do you realize that? Ganesh said, yes, I am sorry, I am jumped the signal. I thought it would make the children happy and we could reach our destination faster. But what the driver said, sorry sir, that is my mistake only. He accepted his mistake, okay, that is my mistake only, but the children who are enjoying the speed and also we have to reach the destination means that place, okay, they are going to the wedding hall, you know, there we have to reach it faster, that's why I can't stop there. He used to say the reason like that. Now Inspector Ashok angrily, okay, because of his answer, the inspector gets so angry, who said, do you also realize that you just put the lives of other people on the road in danger? So why what is the police officer asking? Okay, because of your speed, it's a problem for you means no problem, but you are creating problems to the people, those who are traveling in this road, okay. The other people you are troubling. You broke an important traffic rule too. you were going beyond the permitted speed limit, and he is doing one more mistake. He didn't follow the traffic rules. He broke an important traffic rule. He is going beyond the permitted speed limit. Permitted speed limit, what is that speed limit? The maximum speed at which a vehicle is allowed to travel on a particular road. In particular roads, they are allowing this much, whether it may be 60 kilometers or 70 kilometers. This is speed for the vehicles. If they are over speed, they have to put the fine for that. So Tamara started to weeping, okay, because of fear. I'm scared. Tarun, what will happen now? So the girl is fearing, okay, started to weeping, and she asked the question, what will happen to Tarun, his brother? Tarun turning to the traffic police officer, sorry sir, it's our mistake. We asked our uncle Ganesh to drive fast. So he is trying to convince the police officer, and he said, sorry sir, it's our mistake. We alone compel our uncle to speed, go fast. Just like that, he is trying to convince the police officer. Inspector Ashok said, that does not help the situations. I am afraid I will have to check your driving license and other documents. So, but the police officer is not ready to accept his words, but it's not possible, okay. I can't help you. I have to check whether you have the license, okay, and then other documents for what you have to follow, that and all you have, I have to check it. He asked. This will take time, okay. So, because of this, the time is running. And then Tamara started to crying, okay. First she has wept, and now she started to crying, and she said, we wanted to be the first to reach the wedding hall. Sadly, we broke all the rules, and not we will reach late. Now she realized the mistake, okay. They expected they have to reach the wedding hall before their cousins. That's why they are insisting and compelling his driver to go fast and don't follow the rules, okay. Now because of that, they are in trouble. Maybe they are the last person to be in the wedding, I hope so. Tarun said, all my jalebis will be over. So what is Tarun's problem is, maybe there is no jalebis at all, because he is eagerly waiting for that speech, you know, that's why. Suddenly a car pulls up beside them. Sahana and Sahil step out of the car with their parents. So Sahana already told, you know, if you are interested, come with us. They are the cousins of them. They are come out from that car, and they are started to talk. Sahana say, hey Tarun and Tamana, what are you doing here? So because they don't know what's happened there. So why you are standing here itself? What are you doing here? These questions they are asking. Tamara Shobin, we get caught for jumping a signal. It was our mistake, and we should not have done it. So what she said, it's our mistake only, pa. We have not followed the traffic rules. We jumped the traffic signal. That's why we caught by the police officer. She explained everything to her. And Sahana and Sahil parents console the two children because they are crying, you know. So their uncle and aunts trying to console the children. Console, which is nothing but comfort someone who is feeling sad or disappointed. They request the police officer to let the driver go after paying the fine. So they are excusing, okay, they are asking permissions to the police officer to leave the driver with fine, okay. Definitely we will pay the fine, but please you leave them or leave us. So this is that happens in a second part. We will go to the third scene. The third scene is at the wedding hall, okay. So now they are entering to the wedding hall. What's happened there? We will see. Tarun said, thank you Sahana and Sahil for helping us. I was worried that we would reach after the wedding was over. What Tarun said, okay, thank you for your kind help, yeah. Otherwise, I thought we will reach that wedding hall after the function. After completing the function, you thought. Okay, Tamara said, we have learnt our lesson. It is dangerous to drive fast and break traffic rules. So now Tarun and Tamara had understood. They have learnt a lesson too. What is that lesson? It is dangerous to drive fast, okay. If you are drive fast is dangerous, and also if you break the traffic rules also is dangerous one for us. So we have to, not only Tarun and Tamana, we also have to follow the traffic rules, and this pandemic time you have to wash your hands frequently and maintain the social distance. When you come out from your house, you have to wear the face mask. These are all the very important things, children, for us now. Okay. And Tarun said, reaching somewhere safety is more important than rushing there dangerously. Okay. So, reaching the place is important in a time, but safety is very important than that. Okay. Tarun said. Sahil said, if we want to reach a place on time, when we should leave early. So, you have to maintain the time too. Okay. In a hurry, but if you are getting ready means you have to go fast only. So, you have to get ready for that place, otherwise that wedding early. So, you have to plan for that too. Breaking traffic rules will not help us reach faster. So, breaking traffic rules is not helping us to reach in that place. Okay. Our lives and the lives of others on the road will also be in danger. We are not making our life alone danger, we are making the other people's, those who are following the rules also will also have the problems, because their lives are also in danger because of us. We are not following the traffic rules, you know. Those who are not following the traffic rules, maybe some accidents means some innocent persons also will affected by that. Okay. Okay, Sakana said, okay, we have learnt our lesson. Let us stop worrying. Our jalebis are getting cold. So, what she said, okay, now we learn our lessons. Okay, stop talking about these problems and again. So, now our jalebis are getting cold. Okay, she says something about the sweet. And Tarun said, yes, how could I forget my yummy jalebis, let us eat. Okay. Tarun said, how could I forget that? Because of this jalebis only I entered to the wedding hall. So, they are started to eat, enjoying their sweet. Okay, children, I hope you understand the lesson and how we have to be in road. Definitely we have to follow the traffic rules, and this pandemic time you have to follow the safeties also. Okay. Wash your hands frequently, wear face masks when we are out, and also maintain the social distance too. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you, children.